That's right, Sally. Surprisingly, we saw a huge rebound in this particular industry. The seasonally adjusted Absa Purchasing Managers Index recorded a solid increase in November. So PMI increased by 3.6 points to 57.2. Now, this is the highest level for the headline PMI since before COVID-19, the third wave that hit, as well as the July unrest. Now, business activity and new sales orders and the two sub-indices that were the most severely impacted by the steel sector strike in October improved in November. The data also showed that factory activity and the demand for manufactured goods were resilient against the impact of power cuts in November. But after some reprieve in October, purchasing prices, which include higher shipping costs, moved higher once again in November.
We are continuing to see an increase in cost pressures for manufacturers. The purchasing price sub-index of the PMI did show an increase in November, and we suspect that part of this reflects this massive surge in fuel prices that we've seen here in South Africa, but also a higher cost of other imported goods, given the fact that the exchange rate has also drifted a little bit weaker. So those cost pressures do seem to be building, and I think this is an important risk that we will have to watch going forward, because if these pressures do build on, there could be pressure to pass on some of those cost increases onto consumers. Although I must say that so far we're not really seeing much evidence of that pass through.